how can you enable marketing notifications on your Vizio app. We go to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your Vizio app. So you just follow this way, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just scroll down, click here on account down here. You just click here on account. It's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, just click here on notifications. When just click here on notifications here, come to this list here. So then you come here to marketing, click in this sign. Then like you see this color for us, that's mean here marketing notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish know you are great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.